Today I'd like to show you how the professional development credit hours are recorded within t-Eval. Everyone is given opportunities throughout the course of the year to participate in professional development within the district. This could be through PLCs, sheltered instruction, Readers and Writers Workshop, etc. First and foremost, it is important to remember to sign the attendance sheet when you participate in any professional development. This is how your attendance is recorded in t-Eval. Once you have attended professional development and the administration records your attendance, you will receive an email similar to this. The email will come from the t-Eval email address. It will tell you the name of your course, the date, and the time that you attended. The email will also instruct you to log into your t-Eval account within the next 5 days. This is important so that you can complete the course evaluation. Everyone needs to understand that it is your completed evaluation that triggers the PD to be added as credit to your PD log. So let's take a look at what happens when you log into t-Eval. You will navigate to the Courses tab. From here, you'll notice that all the PD you have been given credit. If you believe there are professional development courses that you attended but are not listed here, please contact Donna Warner in the Curriculum Office. You'll notice on the left-hand side that I have completed all of the necessary course evaluations from any PD that I attended. If a course evaluation is optional, it will be noted here. If you have not completed a course evaluation which is required, it will simply say course evaluation. You'll notice that when I open my PD log, that the demonstration piece of my PD is not listed here. If I go now into the course evaluation, I can complete it. I'm going to scroll down and I'll read the questions obviously and answer them. I'm just going to quickly answer these for demonstration purposes, but of course when you do it for yourself you will answer the questions appropriately depending on the PD that you attended. Then I'm going to click Submit Course Evaluation. When I have finished, I will get a message that says Course Evaluation Submitted. Then I can navigate back to the Courses tab. If I scroll down, it now says that my course evaluation is complete. Now when I go into my PD log, you will notice that this PD I am now given credit for. Now I want to show you how you can, this is all for in-district PD. All you have to do is sign the sign-in sheet and the in-district PD will be recorded on your t-Eval so that you can fill out the course evaluations. However, if you are attending out-of-district PD, you will need to put this in your own. If you go to the Courses tab, click on Add Other PD, and you'll fill in the boxes appropriately. The start date, the start time, the end date, and the end time. The title, and a description. You do not need to complete the hours. The computer program will do that automatically. You are all staff, and then I'll need to request approval from your administrator. Now you'll notice that my course evaluation is optional because it's out of district PD. If you have any questions about the tech piece, please feel free to email Michelle Logue And if you have questions about PD that you have attended, please contact Donna Warner. I also want to make sure that everyone understands if you have course evaluations that need to be completed from earlier in the school year, please do so as soon as possible. Thanks for your time.